Hey everyone, my name is Akeelah Franjgerie Balino from PSULES Grade 2 Obedient. Today I'm gonna present to you the names and sounds of letters. So let's start. This is letter A. The sound is ah, ah. This is letter B. The sound is b, b. This is letter C. The sound is k, k. This is letter D. The sound is d, d. This is letter E. The sound is e, e. This is letter F. The sound is f, f. This is letter G. The sound is g, g. This is letter H. The sound is This is letter I. The sound is E, E. This is letter J. The sound is J, J. And those are the names and sounds of letters. Thank you.